Hey everyone, check out the Bare Barrel Mixology Bartender Kit, a complete 14-piece cocktail shaker set designed for home bartending. This set includes a 24-oz cobbler shaker, stylish slate and black barware, and a bamboo organizer to keep your tools neat and accessible. Whether you're mixing whiskey, vodka, rum, gin, or tequila drinks, you'll enjoy 35 included recipe cards with classics like Margaritas, Martinis, and Old Fashions. It's perfect for both beginners and pros, making a great gift for anyone who loves cocktails. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this kit promises durability and comes with a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. Elevate your home bar experience with a kit that combines style, function, and endless drink possibilities. Cheers to your new favorite bartending companion. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.